me not to smoke it, but I did, and it took me far away. And I turned out to be the only hell my mama ever raised. Rolled into Atlanta, stolen tags and almost out of gas. I had to get some money, and lately I'd learned how to get it fast. Those neon lights were calling me, and somehow I just had to get downtown. So I reached into the glove box. Another liquor store went down. And I said, precious memories, take me back to the good old days. I can hear my mama say, Rock of Ages cleft for me. Tried to turn me on to Jesus, but I turned on to the devil's ways. And I turned out to be the only hell my mama ever raised.